Connecting a Canon G3010 printer to a laptop requires two main steps: putting the printer into wireless pairing mode, then installing the driver software on the laptop. This tutorial outlines the process. What the process does: the printer connects to your Wi-Fi network using WPS Wi-Fi protected setup or manual wireless setup. The driver software enables your laptop to communicate with the printer over the same network. Step 1. Prepare the printer. Turn on your printer by pressing the power or on button. Wait until the printer is fully ready and the green on lamp stays solid. Locate the direct or Wi-Fi button on the printer. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing on the LCD screen. This indicates the printer is ready to pair with your network. Press the color button once, then press the Wi-Fi or direct button again until the Wi-Fi lamp starts flashing rapidly. This means the printer is searching for a wireless network connection. Step 2. Download and install the driver software. On your laptop, open a web browser and go to the official Canon support website. Search for the Canon G3010 printer and download the full driver and software package that matches your operating system. The file is typically named win-g3010-1-4-n-mcd.exe and is approximately 20 megabytes. After the download finishes, open the downloaded.exe file to start the installation. When the setup wizard opens, follow the instructions shown on the screen. Step 3. Connect to the wireless network. When prompted to choose a connection method, select wireless LAN or Wi-Fi connection, then choose Connect via wireless router. The setup software will begin searching for available printers. Once your Canon G3010 appears in the list, select it and click Next. If your network has a password, enter it carefully and continue. The software will send the wireless settings to the printer and complete the connection process. Step 4. Complete the installation. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finish installing the software. The driver package includes the printer driver, IJ network device setup utility, and other necessary tools. Once the setup is complete, your laptop will be able to send print jobs to the Canon G3010 over the Wi-Fi network. Limitation: this method requires a router that supports WPS or manual wireless setup. If your router does not have WPS, you may need to connect using the Canon Print Inkjet (SELPHY) mobile app or manually enter your Wi-Fi password through the printer's control panel. This setup is best suited for users who want to print wirelessly from a laptop without USB cables.